Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about what is NFT and how to earn with it. NFTs are virtual goods used in gaming. They are often digital representations of objects that can be sold, traded, or even rented. Examples include skins for weapons in the game Counter-Strike Global Offensive or Warframe Platinum currency that can be bought with real money and used to purchase items in the game. The first thing we should know about NFT is that it stands for Non-Fungible Token. In today's digital world, these tokens can be treated as a form of property because they have a string value and cannot be divided into smaller quantities. Non-fungible tokens are the new Guinness in the crypto world. They are decentralized fungible tokens that can digitally represent an asset or idea. These tokens are non-physical and cannot be duplicated. How do non-fungible tokens work? Non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets that are accompanied by a certificate. The certificate of authenticity for the asset states that it is unique and different from any other token. Ownership of the token is recorded through blockchain technology. These tokens could be digital representations of physical assets, such as artwork or clothing. As long as you are the owner, you can earn passive income with NFTs by imposing terms. How to create NFTs and earn money. The question of how to create non-fungible tokens and earn money has been on the minds of entrepreneurs, developers, and enthusiasts for quite some time. Non-fungible tokens are tokens that are unique in terms of their characteristics. The following are the steps a person needs to follow to make NFT. First, clarify and figure out what a non-fungible token is, and you are sure to make one and sell it. Check out the platforms and select one that you want to sell. Next, set up and connect the crypto wallet. Finally, start creating your first non-fungible token and list it on your chosen platform. After listing the digital assets, there are multiple ways of making a lifetime passive money. Sell non-fungible token on a marketplace. One of the most popular ways for people to make money is by selling their NFTs on a marketplace. There are a variety of platforms and marketplaces where these NFTs can be sold and traded. OpenSea, Axie Marketplace, CryptoPunks, Rarible, Super Rare, Mintable, and so on. Rent out. Non-fungible tokens. NFTs are digital assets that cannot be replicated. One way to use NFTs is through what is known as renting. Renting an NFT means giving it away for a fixed period of time in return for money. Royalties. The digital asset creator can earn passive lifetime royalties even after selling it out to someone else. The creator needs to impose terms, and then whenever someone buys the asset you initially created, you will still get royalties over your lifetime. There are many other ways as well, and people need to research more and more if they are interested. As we are talking about earning money online, we believe it is crucial to discuss how to make your digital wallet and online transactions safe, unblock content, and browse anonymously. The answer to all these questions is only VPN. Virtual private networks are online security systems that use encryption algorithms to protect private information while it is being transmitted. A VPN creates a secure tunnel over the public internet, which can then be used to safely transmit sensitive data. Every VPN has its own encryption algorithm. Although encryption is typically the most common type, it can also help you access unblocked sites safely and quickly. We recommend people use VPN while making online transactions or just browsing the internet. NFT sports. Non-fungible tokens are offering great opportunities to every field, including sports. Unfortunately, no one has fully benefited from them yet. These digital assets can be a great money-making opportunity for sports like football and tennis game if applied correctly. They can also be helpful in increasing fan engagement with their favorite sports. Sports lovers always love to get sports collectibles like a badge, t-shirts, etc., and non-fungible tokens provide exactly that opportunity, but in digital form. Non-fungible tokens in sports can not only be restricted to t-shirts, badges, but they can also be fans' favorite moments, photos, historical videos, and so on. In short, anything can be converted to a digital asset. The sports industry, like the gaming industry, needs to adopt this technology as soon as possible and grow their market standard and new way of fan engagement easily. 3 ways to make money with non-fungible tokens. NFTs. There's no doubt that non-fungible tokens are the most popular trend in the crypto community right now. From celebrities to respected companies, everyone is talking about launching their own NFTs. But not all NFTs are made equal. While some are worth a fortune, some can be practically worthless. Let's take a look at some of the most profitable ways individuals and companies are making money during the current NFT gold rush. Number 1. Digital works of art. When it comes to sheer profitability, individual NFT artworks are by far the most valuable non-fungible tokens ever created. On March 11th, the history of blockchain technology and the history of art changed forever. Christie's, one of the most renowned auction houses in the world, sold an NFT work of art for $69 million. It was the first time when Christie's auctioned a fully digital artwork. The piece, entitled Everyday's the First, was created by a digital artist, Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple. The NFT is not a single artwork, but a collage of 5,000 tokenized images which Beeple was creating every day over the course of years. While some people are already raising concerns that selling what is essentially a link to a picture for millions of dollars could be just a front for money laundering, others believe that NFTs are a true revolution in the world of art. Number 2. Licensed collectibles. Tokenizing collectibles seems like the most natural and obvious application of the non-fungible token technology. The brands which were already selling physical collectibles, such as trading cards, can now also sell the same thing in a digital form. Since NFTs have provable rarity, the price of a digital trading card can be much higher than the price of its physical counterpart. So far, sports cards are by far the most popular type of licensed NFT collectibles. The first NFT sports cards project allowed people to trade licensed cards of footballers, but recently the NBA has also launched its NFT cards collection. It's very likely that other sports organizations will soon follow, and collectors will be able to buy baseball or hockey NFT cards as well. But sports cards are just one example of what NFTs can be used for. Any physical collectible can also be turned into a non-fungible token. While physical trading cards are easily damageable, NFTs can be securely stored on the blockchain, and they will never lose quality. Number 3. NFT video games. The NFT-based video games could very well be the future of NFT technology. So far, none of the games utilizing non-fungible tokens managed to gain widespread popularity, but the potential of applying NFTs to video games seems tremendous. Gamers are already known to spend fortunes on virtual items. World of Warcraft gold, Call of Duty loot boxes, or Counter-Strike skins, all of these markets are already worth billions. If any major video game company decides to sell in-game items as NFTs, the impact of such a decision on both gaming and blockchain. How to create an NFT. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are exploding in popularity these days. People are paying big money for these unique collectible cryptocurrency assets. One NFT by the digital artist known as Beeple sold for a jaw-dropping $69 million in early 2021. While many others have fetched multi-million-dollar sales prices. The potential for big money is leading more people to create NFTs in the hope of cashing in on the current craze. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make and sell an NFT. Number 1. Pick your item. Let's start with the basics. If you haven't already done so, you will need to determine what unique digital asset you want to turn into an NFT. It can be a custom painting, picture, music video, collectible, meme, GIF, or even a tweet. An NFT is a unique digital item with a sole owner. That rarity gives an NFT value. Make sure that you own the intellectual property rights to the item you want to turn into an NFT. Creating an NFT for a digital asset you don't own could get you into legal trouble. Number 2. Choose your blockchain. Once you've selected your unique digital asset, it's time to start the process of minting it into an NFT. That begins by determining the blockchain technology you intend to use for your NFT. The most popular among NFT artists and creators. Number 3. Set up your digital wallet. If you don't already have a digital wallet, you'll want to set one up to create your NFT, since you'll need some cryptocurrency to fund your initial investment. The wallet will provide you with access to your digital assets. The top NFT wallets include MetaMask, Math Wallet, Alpha Wallet, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Number 4. Select your NFT marketplace. Once you have a digital wallet and some cryptocurrency, it's time to start creating and hopefully selling your NFT. For that, you will need to choose an NFT marketplace. Some of the top NFT marketplaces include OpenSea Axie Marketplace, Larva Labs CryptoPunks NBA Top Shot Marketplace Rarible Super Rare Foundation Nifty Gateway Mintable and ThetaDrop. Number 5. Upload your file. You're now finally ready to mint your NFT. Your chosen NFT marketplace should have a step-by-step guide for uploading your digital file to their platform. That process will enable you to turn your digital file, a PNG, GIF, MP3, or other file type, into a marketable NFT. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.